Hello everybody, hello to the last episode of this tutorial. At least that's the last episode I planned. Feel free to create an issue or write an email or use the comments to ask for other videos on a specific topic. So far we haven't talked about testing, and I show you very basic widget testing especially for accessibility automatically. So there are some guidelines defined already, and we navigate to a screen starting with the home screen, and then we tap on an item so the form to edit a person will be visible, and we run the tests again. So that's the test for the home screen, and here I show you how you may fake your repository and hence how to make sure you have exactly 2 items in your repository. So here we have a fake repository which returns for the method getPeople exactly 2 items. So within the provider scope, we override our people repository provider with this fake repository. Hence, there's no network connection needed, and doing so, we could fake other behavior of our repository, like returning no item or returning items with different properties. So pump widget and pump are 2 methods widely used in the testing scenarios.
Pump basically triggers a render expect methods. So in this test, we first expect the loading widget, as the list is fetched from the server. Then we search for edit buttons, and as the fake repository returns exactly 2 items, we expect exactly 2 edit buttons. And so on. And so on.
However, I find writing tests in Flutter a bit cumbersome, and I hope the test libraries I'm exploring will make writing tests a little bit easier. The automatic tests and the exception thrown or the errors provided are not that self-explanatory, and it might be difficult which widget is missing a semantic. Hence it's good to activate this property. So now you see the semantics, the annotation of this edit button, and you can check if each widget has a reasonable semantics. It's easy to understand and follow the navigation and interaction of your application, even if you use a screen reader. In addition, you might explore some more Visual Studio extensions like this Flutter tree, which makes it much easier and faster to write nested widgets, or have a look at the API docs package. And in the README, you will find some more libraries which may solve one or the other problem you have. And if you haven't started by now, you are ready to do so. Develop your own application. Think of a problem to solve. Follow the steps of user research, sketching, and then developing a minimal, valuable product. Test it with some real users and improve it. Bye-bye.